What the heck happened? Where am I? What is this island that I'm on? I need to go up and find answers. What is going on? What is going on? Whoa, this place is beautiful. But what the heck am I doing here? Why is there so many trees and... How did I even get here? What am I gonna do? 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 I think I can help you out with that. Wait, what? Who said that? Show yourself! Show yourself! Where are you? Who said that? I did, Doctor. What the? Who the heck are you? What are you doing here? What am I doing here? What's going on? Well, Doctor, I would explain it to you, but it's already too late. They're here. What? Who's here? What are you talking about? Gas, Doctor! Look out behind you! What? What is it? What's going on? Yoink. What the? What was that? He took my fucking wallet! My wallet! Hey, get back here! Get back here! Oh, sorry, Doctor, but no takesies backsies. Oh, I'm gonna use all your money. Whoa. God darn it! What am I going to do now? I don't have my wallet and I don't have a way to get out of here. What am I going to do? Whatever. I guess this is no time for sulking. Time to go look around. Looking around for something to get off this island. Yes, I'm the doctor. Yes, Doctor Who. Who are you? Just a second. Wait a second. What's that? Oh my gosh! Look at that! It's a fully functional RTX 30 boat. Oh my gosh! I cannot wait to drive this. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Time to hop in. All right, let's go! Me! Yippee! Yay! I'm getting off the island! Yay! Here we go! Yay! I'm so excited! Yay! Hooray! 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 Yay! Yay! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, get this thing off of me! Oh my god! Oh god! This hurts so much! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my gosh! Help! Help me! Get this off of me! Get this off of me! Get this off of me! Oh, finally, that hurt like a motherfucker. Okay. Oh, my boat. No, what am I going to do now? How am I supposed to get back home now? There's no more boats around here. Oh my gosh, what to do? What to do? I don't know what to do. Oh my gosh, I guess my only option is to look around and set up fort. Guess it's time to go. I really hope I can find something. Letty-do, walking around, letty-do. Wait, what the? Who are you? That hurts! That doesn't much of my fucking oh, everything's going black. I don't feel so good. Oh, what the? My head! Why do I keep on getting knocked out? Oh, that hurts so much. Oh my gosh, I think I am gonna have a concussion. Oh, goodness gracious. Where the heck am I?
I'm so glad you asked, Doctor. You're in my...
What the? And who the heck are you supposed to be?
I'm so glad you asked, Doctor. 'Cause I'm... Joe Swanson.
Joe Swanson! Oh my gosh, no! Not one of my mortal enemies! What? No, please, Joe, I didn't mean anything whenever I called your mom gay. Please, Joe, don't do anything, don't do that.
I'm afraid it's already too late for that, Doctor. 'Cause I'm going to kill you now. Boop! Boop!
Oh my gosh, no! Whoa! Whoa! Who the heck just... FBI agent? What are you doing here?
You know, Doctor. Just helping an old friend out.
Oh my gosh, thank you so much. Thank you. I was not there. That was pretty good.
No, no, no! You foiled my plan yet again, Doctor. Well, don't worry. That wasn't the only thing up my sleeve. Get him, my pretties.
Oh my gosh, no! They aren't really doing much.
Yeah, can you look away?
I guess so. I guess I can. Is it working? Oh! Oh no! Please don't! Please, I have a wife and kid now! Don't come any closer! No, no! No, no! Please, please! Oh, fuck! Please!
Don't worry, Doctor. I've got this. Hurry, Doctor! Get off the platform!
Okay, I'm coming! I'm running! I'm running!
Alright, I'm gonna press it! Here we go! Alright, I'm gonna press it! Here we go!
No! 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 No!
No! My plan has been foiled! No! No! Oh my gosh, Doctor! The place is gonna blow! We gotta get out of here! Hurry! We gotta go! We gotta get out of here! Hurry!
Okay, I'm going! I'm getting out of here! I'm going!
Wait, don't leave me here, please! Wait, no, don't leave me here, please! Oh! Oh, the place is crumbling around me! Oh, no, I don't think I'm gonna make it! Oh!
Oh my gosh! 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 Oh, oh, I made it! Oh, I made it too! Thank goodness!
Doctor Who finally escapes the blazing volcano lair. Will he go back to save his friends, or will he go on another one of his wacky adventures? Find out next time on Doctor Who.
All safe and sound. Wait, what's that noise? What's going on? Huh? Must be nothing. I must just turn off. Ah!